Picasso, man, what'd you get your girl for Christmas, man?
Yo, man, I got her them shoes she always wanted. Yo, Tahiti, what'd you get your girl for Christmas?
You know, I picked up that leather coat she been eyeing at the mall.
Yeah.
Picnic, man, what'd you get your girl?
Man, I got her something real special.
It's Christmas time. Once again, holly, mistletoe, and candy canes. The family gets together, man, you know the deal. Hold hands, pray over a home-cooked meal. Kids open presents so you know it's on. Mom gets a sweater, dad cheap cologne. Thank the Lord that we're all living, cause Christmas time is for the giving.
It's Christmas time in my hood. I hope that I get something good. Spend time with my family. Got gifts under the Christmas tree. I'm standing by the mistletoe, kissing my girl so soft and slow. Drinking eggnog, it makes me smile. And been this happy in a while.
Look up in the sky, the stars are out, and snow is falling down. Listen closely there, or could it be it's Christmas time again? It's Christmas time, it's Christmas, yeah, it's Christmas time, yeah.
It's Christmas time again!
It's Christmas, you know it's Christmas time.
Let's go under the mistletoe!
Merry Christmas from PPT and the Idol Records family. Black Tie Dynasty, Strange Fruit Project, the Eons. Have a Merry Christmas and a Nappy New